we continue with the preparation for having the floor done today. You have seen all the activities, and we see now the compacting of the floor is complete, as you can see, my good friends. And we have got the machine that will do the concrete mixing, and from there we'll finish up with the flooring of this building, as you can see, my good friends. And this bit now haven't been completed, as you can see, my good friends. There was a plan to have more materials put on it, especially hardcore, but through some research they discovered the soil is good and stable, so they did not need whatsoever to do anything else except concreting this area the way it is, my good friends. So that now, by tomorrow, the concreting of the floor will take place, my good friends. As you can see, told you yesterday, now we see the shape of the house. That's the veranda. Here is the veranda. Remember the heaps of soil, the one we were working on yesterday. The heaps are gone. They are all here inside the house, and you can see the veranda. There are veranda which goes an L-shaped veranda that goes to the next wall or around, and the preparations for concreting is in top gear. So you can see from whatever angle the building is complete, waiting for the next step. And you as faithfully will continue showing you how you are going to concrete this floor. At the same time, we shall see the preparation for concreting the whole of the floor. As you can see, my good followers, continue watching my videos so that you can understand, and see the previous one so that you can understand where we are come from and where we are. Continue as we do, as I give you step by step construction of a 5-bedroomed Maisonette flat roof style, aka box. Come along. What you can see here are pillars, because they are going to be grown and they go up to the last floor of this building. Workers have come as usual, because this is the work that they have been employed, and that's how they continue with the building of this house. They are lucky because it will take several months before it is fully completed. So come along as we continue. Good morning, my good viewers, wherever you are. This is another day. We are here on the site, seeing the progress of every step as it is done. This is a big day today. We are going to the concreting of the floor, and as you can see, we have got the materials here. We have got a new supply of ballast, as I told you yesterday, because it was not there. It has been depleted. At the same time, now we have the quality dust, and also new supply fresh supply of the sand, as you can see. Our preparation are in top gear, and everything is set ready to do the first major step of completing the foundation work, and then we go upwards towards the completion of this said building, and it is moving very, very fast than I had expected. I am Frederick Dungu from Superhighway Estate, where I vlog from. Thank you, my good followers. We are moving up together nicely. Everything is up, viewership, subscription, comments, and also likes. Though not very many, likes are fewer there. And I'm happy. Most of you, even those in diaspora, are seeing me big. Not forgetting my Kenyatta Road big following. And beyond, in other parts of Kenya, they also see me. I'm also seeing friends in Uganda. I am also seen by friends from Migori districts at the border of Kenya and Tanzania. Kinangop too, they see me. And some I don't know where they see me from. But I'm happy and excited. I am seen also in a big way in America, UK, Germany, India, and Nigeria, South Africa. They see me, and they see me almost everything I post. There they are watching me. And the age groups, I'm excited that the youngest, well, that I can show you on YouTube, from 13 years upwards, they see my videos. That is very good. I thank God for it. It's God's making, because I don't know those people who see, but God knows them. And at the point of their need, God will also remember them. As I pray for you, I know God hears my prayers, and I believe so. And whatever you get stuck in, I know our God will come in a big way and get you out of that quagmire you could be in. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. There are many. They've come back in a very big way. Thank you so much for keeping the fire burning on this friendly Kidongo's team. Thank you too for the new subscribers. They're increasing every day. Welcome to this channel. It's not by mistake you are in this channel, but you're in the right channel, and you'll get much more than any channel can give you. Thank you, my following, and also those people who likes, share, comments. Thank you so much. And even those who are not decided to subscribe and they see me, thank you so much for seeing. The viewership is counted. It doesn't matter whether it's subscribe or not, but so long as you see, the views are recorded, and I'm excited about it. And we are doing it in a very big way, my good friends. Thank you for watching me as I continue showing you the preparation. As you can see, my good friends, those are the packets of cement. I will count them and tell you how many they are. My good friends, I have counted them. They are about 40 bags of cement. So this is a huge construction, because if a floor can take that much, it will be a giant floor. But I don't see it big as that. But or maybe they want to continue using them for other purposes. And at the end of it, I will tell you how many they have used, because I will count how many have remained. Thank you, my good friends. The work of concreting is still going on here. The preparation work is going on, as you can see. You can see the concreting machine is there, right there on the floor, and they are measuring with the pipe that they have there. Let me show you near how they are. My friends, they are using the pipe. As you can see, him holding the pipe, and on the other side there's another person holding the pipe. They have put water to make sure the floor is level. That's how we do it here in Africa. We use the pipe and water, simple implements, to ensure the floor is flat and it is level. at every point of it. If it's not, they compact more soil until it is completely leveled. And they continue doing so around the building. That's how we do it, my good friends here. And I will show you more as it progresses. Now they have connected water. Most likely they will not need to buy that one from the tank man, but I shall keep on informing you as we proceed. Thank you for following. Continue. My good friends, I call this just a mesh wire, but it is BRC. BRC, it is supposed to prevent the floor from cracks because of any adjustment of the floor. With the BRC, it will remain steady and there will be no cracks. Good viewers, you can see the site is teeming with many people. Workers have come in a big way because this work is very involving and it's labor intensive because the floor, when started, it must be completed today. So there's no halfway. So there have to be very many people to make sure it's completed and completed in a good time before the sun sets. Otherwise, in darkness, I'll be able to work. And many have come. So far, I've counted to be about 17 people. And I am sure many more will also come and join in this site. Preparation is top gear waiting to commence. The pipes must be laid. Must there be there on the ground. And as we can see, everything is set, waiting to go. So you can see many people ready to go, ready to commence, ready to go. Good people are preparing for concreting the floor. It's on stop gear, and those planks of woods are going to be placed in a way such that the level, they look over the level where the concrete will be. That's the height of the concrete. As you can see, that rope. So they put these planks of wood to hold the raw concrete as they start concreting. So now they're in top gear, preparing and make a barrier to hold the concrete as they do it. And as you can see how they are passing the timber. They want to place it in place as they are doing now. They have started there. So there are carpenters here who are doing that work. And as masons and handymen, those with the experience of concreting the floors. And in most cases, this one is given as a contract. I don't know whether the owner has given a contract or is supervising the work himself, as you can see. My good people, the work of preparing is going on, top gear. As you can see, the timber being placed in the place. And at that level, that's where the level of cement will be. This will be holding the raw concrete. So you see, my good friends, and the ratio is so concentrated. Instead of 4 wheelbarrows of sand and ballast each and fumbi, they have reduced it to be 2.5 wheelbarrows of each, and that's why the ratio of cement is too high. So the place which would have taken maximum that packet of cement, it is taking 8 it will be a very strong house. It will be a very, very strong house indeed. All those I've seen, none is of this particular ratio. And I understand he tells me, the owner of the machine, he comes with his own workers, an expert group of concreting the floors, starting from the ground upwards. His specialty with his machine and his team of people. They only have a skeleton workers to help here and there. So let's continue seeing what they are doing. This is the preparations still going on, and you can see everywhere there is something going on to ensure the floor has been set to the required standard before the concrete. Because of the concreting the floor, nothing much you can do with the floor. It's a house that is going to move up very fast, my good friends. Continue with the process of preparation, then coming to concreting. My good people, the workman is digging a place where the stair will be grounded. That is the staircase where it will be. So they have already prepared it. They only going to place it here, so that it will be concreted together with the floor. Still preparing for the work of concrete. My good people, in this site now they have got water. Water has been fixed, and it is, as you can see, the piped water is here, and they will save a lot of money because this is cheaper. It's a government project, and it will be enough with this tank. It will be able to hold enough water to continue the working here. Thank you. This is development in this particular site. And as we see down here, the stair has already been prepared, which will be concreted together with the floor to make sure it will be very, very stable. And at the same time, this place is usually infested by termites, and to prevent termites from destroying this house, this is a chemical here which has been mixed with water. It's looking milky, but it will prevent house ever being attacked by termites. If you don't do so, the house floor will be damaged and the house will be very weak because of the termites. And this is the chemical. This is the chemical that is used here to ensure termites will never destroy this house. So you can see that's how we do it here in Africa, Kenya. Still developments going on here, my good people. Placing of the stair footing, that it is now to be put. The engineer is there, make sure it's properly aligned. my good people. So you can see from there it will be concreted after setting it in the right position and concreted.
Starter bar for the stairs.
Oh yeah, engineer is telling me this is not called just a stair, it's called starter bar for the stair. From here, that's where the stair will be held by the metal bars as it goes up to the house. And it is to be set in place because once it's concreted, it will remain so. And it's very hard to remove it once fixed. Then we are seeing the pipe water, the waste pipes are being placed in place now to be concreted together with the floor. There's a strong smell of the chemicals that will be used here, which will be poured here on this soil floor before they start concreting it. As you can see it, my good friends, the work still goes on. This is preparations before they do the concreting, because once you concrete, floor should not be damaged in any way. So they must ensure whatever has to go on the ground is put there before the concreting work is done. So we have to do this work properly and make sure it is in the right place. Others are preparing the timber work to hold the raw concrete. It's behalf of activity. Those are the plumbers with the work, an engineer setting that place, and then the one seeing it on behalf of his son or relative is there. It is behalf of activities. Rush against time because the contractor who will concrete this place is ready with his people, and he would like them to complete whatever they are doing here. These are plumbers and any other work to be done there, and the people who are fixing the holding timber so that they can concrete and go away. These people do their work very fast, and you can see the behalf of activities here everywhere. You can see the spreading of insecticides, the one which will prevent termite from attacking the floor or the ground floor of this house, especially from the ground up to this level. It's soil, and they can come up using the soil, but because of this termite chemical, they will not dare come to this house for many years, and I think it's for very, very many years to come. Because when I put my house, it has never been affected for close to 20 years. Drainage pipes are being put in place, as you see. This is indicating there will be bathrooms there. People are being work. It's going on. laying down the pipes.
Morning.
And the timber work is going on. Anti-termites. Anti-termites being poured here, so you can see. Laying of damp-proof paper. Damp-proof plastics is being placed on place after the anti-termite chemical to ensure the wetness of the soil do not come to the cement floor, making it damp and cold. See how he does it easily. Just push the roll and it's unwinds. My good friends, these are very important tools. Those buckets are the one used to carry the raw concrete from the mixture. And again, there is also a wheelbarrow that will also be used to carry the same. So they are ready. Pipe work is still going on, as we see. The damp-proof polythene paper has been laid, so remaining a small space there. And as we can see, the BRC is brought by a number of workers here, and it will be laid on top of the polythene damp-proof paper. And we know the chemical has been already poured there to prevent termite from attacking, coming with the soil up to the ground level. And you can see the number of men, about 6 of them, with the BRC. That again will be laid as part of preparation to start concreting the floor. Process of preparing the ground for concreting. And it seems as if a whole roll of damp-proof polythene paper has been used. And still there's another one in balance. The one near the person seated on the quality dust for the remaining parts. So the process of laying the BRC. To stabilize the floor. That's vibrator making noise being put ready for the concreting work. To vibrate and ensure the concrete is well compacted.
Kuja hapo. Aje tukatia hapo. Naona tukikatia hapa sitafika mwezi. Hapo zinafika. Nakata hapa kwanza.
That is the BRC being rolled to open up and laid on the floor on top of the damp-proof paper.
Angekuja hapa. Moja tu hapa moja hapa tu.
See the BRC laid on top. Workers are still working on the BRC. They are cutting it because it has come to the end and put it to another place until to cover the whole house. The workers are preparing the concrete mixture, ready to start the work. Preparing, pushing the machine, pushing the machine. To move near where the materials are, reducing the distance of workers bringing the ballast, sand and quarry dust and water for the concrete work, because once it starts, it continues without stopping. Plumbing work continues, as you can see. They are placing the drainage pipes. One, and you see the bigger is one for toilets, and others for the basin. This one would be a kitchen, so I was told. So this is drainage from the kitchen to be placed there. You can see the preparations in top gear to start the concreting the floor. BRC now has come to this side, so to cut it again, and the pieces cover the remaining parts. And from there is the work of concreting that will start earnestly, and with this team it will not take long before they complete it. And the setting of the requirement to start concreting, the damp proof paper and the BRC are in place. Now is the time to start the concreting. Otherwise, even the tube work up to the height of the concrete floor is in place. Drainage pipes are in place. Plumber is done their work, and the carpenters with the woodwork be done. Now we have got the people who are doing concreting, and at the same time the people, the masons, are around. So soon the machine will be running the concrete mixture and the vibrator. We'll be on space and you will see how it is done, how they start doing it, and the flooring starting. Placing the last bit of BRC. Now it is all systems go. Preparing cement, ready for the system to go. The mixture of all this, the ballast, quarry waste, quarry dust, and sand. Every packet of cement is cut into two. So you can see where they cut into two to make it easy for feeding the material into the machine. And the machine is already set, ready to go. And the buckets are ready to supply the materials here and also carry the concreted material, but most likely they will be using, unlike the other day they were using buckets, they will be using the wheelbarrow ready to carry the raw concrete to the desired position or point. Now ready to start the work of concrete mixing. As you can see, my good friends here. Continuing with the preparation of bucket of cements, how they will be offloaded into the concrete mixture. As you can see, we are now ready to start the machine. Everything is ready now. Setting the machine ready. Start rolling. Now that is what is doing to start the machine. Wow, started. Operating officially. bucket of cement. Take it to the desired point where they are going to start. hardest corner, and pours the mixture. All the material is still going, and as it finishes mixing, pours down. The workers are putting it in the wheelbarrow and positioning it at spare points, and the farmost corner. You can see everything is being improvised. Then forward there. Concrete is being spread now down, and it has to go to the level of the tipper. More is coming. Great now. It's spread. Some packaging there at the edges to prevent the cement getting out or falling out. More of the concrete, is coming. Being placed in the right place. Flooding work is being worked on to prevent it getting out of the position. See them positioning it well. Flood work not to be distorted by the concrete. Shape now. So at the point the vibrator will come and make sure the concrete is well compacted. going on, loading and making of the concrete. Big heap is there. And the transporting of the raw concrete going on. Spreading of it is done there, you can see. Guys get graded, vibration, compact to the concrete, otherwise it will not be good if it's not compacted. Now we start it. We start the compressor. Compactor. More and more concrete mixture is being brought. Oh, now. Wow. Started. You are about to see how it compacting. See, my good friends, as you can see, it is the level of the tuba. That's how every part of the floor will be like. Friends, the machine cut stones are being delivered, ready to start the construction of the house. This is still preparation. This is still the floor, and from there the house starts. Fixing of the stair done, very powerful stair. Everything is going down and down. It's very compacted. See how they are making that floor with that piece of wood. He's an expert. He's an expert compacting with that wood. And what we have here after 1 hour will be a very beautiful floor. A very beautiful floor here. It takes an hour or so to get fixed and to form. Compacting it and making the floor very uniform and flat. And within no time it will dry up. Within 2 hours you can walk on it. Still more work, still continuing. Hello my good people, what is going on as you can see. We are now concreting. The ground floor is on going and quite a room. One room has already been finished and the work will continue the way it is continuing now. Thank you for being with me throughout as I started showing you this. Thank you even those who are able to see it up to the end of the video. I love you so much. Those who are my wonderful people that without you I could not be doing what I'm doing. See the beehive of activity that goes on here. Seriously, it's a very busy place. As you can see, everybody is busy working, making all the fixing of the floor. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for the number of subscribers who are coming in. Please feel welcome. 10 subscribers. We are together and we will continue together. Thank you so much for following me. I wish all the best in all what you do, because we are a big team of friends today. We're going to continue moving on, and I'll show you the best of things happening here in Kenya, Africa. Show you how the houses are constructed here, how we do it, and the people who are ready to build any house for you. If in case you buy any property here, these are the people. These are the people, as you can see them. So my good friends, on here are the best of the best, as you can see it.